Thank you very much for joining me this night or this day. Nashukuru Bwana kwa sababu yako. Leo tunataka tuanzie darasa letu la pili kuhusu uchezaji wa keyboard. Na ningependa kwanza tukaangalia mambo ambayo tulifanya wakati uliopita. Na Bwana tutubariki pamoja. Last time we started the introduction to our keyboard or to our lessons, whereby we talked about the keys, tukaziname. Tukasema ya kwamba tunaanzia kwa C tufika kwa B, then tukasema tuko na sharp na flat. Najua umepractice kuzitaja ama kuziname, na chenye ambacho sikuweza kukuambia ni kwamba, na ningetaka kukuambia siku ya leo, ngoma kuna haya maandishi. Natumai unaona vizuri. Thank you very much. Thank you. Kama ni hash ni sharp, naandika C sharp. Any sharp, we write a hashtag on top of it. We write a hashtag on top of it. And then all the flats, we write a small b on top of it. I believe you are together. Thank you very much. Leo tunataka tuangazie kitu kingine sasa, ambayo ni kucheza ama kutafuta the notes of every key. Tulisema kwamba kwa hizo keys zote 12, to all the 12 keys, unaweza kucheza katika key yoyote. Kuna mwenye huwa anachezea D, kama mimi napenda sana kuchezea D. Kuna mwingine atachezea E. Kuna mwingine atachezea F sharp. Kuna mwingine atachezea G. Kuna mwingine atachezea C. Lakini yote tu itakuwa ni sawa. So siku ya leo nataka tuangalie venye unaweza cheza ama kutengeneza the super notation scale of every key. Are we together? So naomba tukaweza kuwa pamoja na Bwana atatubariki. Haya, nataka tukaendelee tufanye kitu ambayo inaitwa scale kwa every key. Kama venye nimesema ya kwamba kila key unaweza chezea mahali popote. Nimesema kuna mwenye anaweza chezea D, mwingine anachezea E, mwingine anachezea A flat or A major, na mwenye atachezea A major, na kuna mwingine atachezea hata C sharp na acheze. Tuko pamoja. Sasa nataka tuangalie venye kucheza katika key hiyo. Now we start from the solfa notation scale. Now the solfa notation scale of every key will lead you to something we call chording. Na chording ndio inaweza kucheza wimbo wowote ambao unasikianga. You play it from the chording part of it. Tuko pamoja. Haya, now playing the solfa notation scale, it is you go to the main key that you are playing. For example, or for instance, tuseme tunachezea C. Now hold any C that you want, any C. Then the C inakuwa ndio first note yako. Tuko pamoja? Inakuwa ndio first note. Then the solfa notation scale inakuwa do re mi fa sol la ti do. Are we together? Do re mi fa sol la ti do. There are 8 notes, whereby the 8th note is the high octave of the first note. Are we together? Listen to this. Do, do. You start from do and then you end with do. Natumai tuko pamoja, eh? Natumai tuko pamoja. So we start from do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Are you there? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now, we say scale yoyote ambayo tunafanya, we start from the do to do. That's a full octave. That's 1 octave. Now from ndio uweze kupata the other note from your do Le. Now from 1 to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That is the sofa notation scale here C. It is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C. Are you there? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's the sofa notation scale. Now, how do you arrange, or how do we come to a point of agreeing that we are having a sofa notation scale of C? Last time tulisema ya kwamba from one key to the other is called a semitone. A semitone. Now, from C to the second note, C being the first note, we go to the second note of D. Now you are going to how many steps? You are going 2 steps. That is 1, 2. Are we together? That is 1, 2. 1, 2. So the first note, you are going a full step, a full tone. That is, we say from one key, or from one first note to the other note, from one key to the other, tulisema tunaita a semitone. So when you go to a semi plus a semi, it's equals to 1 tone. So from first step to the other step is equals to 1 tone. So it's 1. A second note is a, so you go a full tone high, a full tone high. We say coming up like this, or coming high the octave, we say is additional octave, or is a you add. Are you together? You add. While you are going coming down, you minus. So we are adding. So from C we are adding 1 step, 2 step. So 2 steps is a half and a half, is equals to a tone. So when going to the second note, we are going a tone. Are you together? We are going a tone. So 1, 2. Third note, we are going a full tone again. Is a semi, because this is the third note. A semi. Going a fourth note, you go a semitone. Just a semi, just 1. From here to here, that's 1 step. From here to here is a semitone. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So is that a tone, a semi. Are we together? Haya. Then 5th note is a full tone. Semi, a tone. 5. You find your 5. If you want to get to your 6, from 5 you go a full tone. That is a half. Are you together? Then getting a 7th note, you go to a semi. You get it. 1. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you go to C. Tuko pamoja. Now that one you can do it to every other key. It is supposed to be done to any other key. That's how you get it. Go to another key, something like D. We say it from the first note to the second note, you go a full tone. So a full tone is this is my D. If I'm playing the key of D, then the scale should be D. I go to the second, I go a full note, I get my second note. I go a full semi, I get my third note. I go a half, I get my fourth note. I go a full, I get my fourth note. That is full. This is 1, 5th note. I go a full, I get a 6th note. This is semi. I go to a full note, I get my 7th note. Semi. I go to a half, I get my final chord or note. So I play do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Are you there? Take another key. Take the key of F sharp. For example, take the key of F sharp. If you take the key of F sharp, you are going to get the notes, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, from 1 to 7, or to even the last one. How? You are going to use the same formula, whereby from 1 to the second one is a full tone. Let's do semi. So if this is 1, this is the second. Are Are we together? If you want the third, this is the third, because it's a semi, 1. If you want the fourth, this is a semi tone. So from there we can come up with a formula. Of bringing or of creating our scales, or our solfa notation scale. Are we together? Now I want us to create any scale. I want us to create any scale, either in F sharp, either in C, either in D, whereby tunasema, wakati tunasema mambo na scale, if you start from C, the scale of C is equals to C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Now the difference between these, so this one we can number it. We can number them from note 1, note 2, note 3, note 2, note 3, note 4, note 5, note 6, note 7, and this one remains note 1, or others call it note 8, so you can remain with 1. The difference between here is a full tone, whereby we go high, and we come down. Are we together? So that is one tone. This is one tone. Tuko pamoja? Then again, from second note to third note, again we go 1, because it's a half. From third to fourth, we go a half. Are we together? From fourth to fifth, we go a tone. From 5 to 6th, we go a tone. From 6 to 7, we go a tone. And from 7 to the last one, we go a half. Now, having this as your guiding formula, you can create any key, or you can play in any key. You can create the scale of any key and play in it. Are you together? Are you together? Thank you. So for today, I want us to learn that, and I believe as we come next time, we are going to move to coding. Are you together? We are going to move to coding. So make sure, if you are playing in F sharp, use this formula to create the note, the scale. If you're using the key of G, use this